I'm Becca, and today I'm going to show you how you would combine a survey you've created on Pavlovia Surveys with an experiment that you've made in PsychoPy and that you're running through Pavlovia as part of an online study. So here I have a very basic experiment that I've made in PsychoPy, and I have put that onto pavlovia.org in order to run it online. So if you want to see what that looks like, I can click Run. And this is a really simple experiment. You're shown a target and you just have to press space as fast as you can in order to respond to that target. So imagine that at the very beginning of this experiment, I actually want to present my participant with an information sheet. And here I'm going to use an information sheet we've made in pavlovia.org, Pavlovia Surveys. You can see in our previous videos how we made this information sheet if you want to find out more. And as part of this survey, I can go to the Overview tab, and there I have a link that I could share with participants if I just wanted to present them with the survey on its own. However, here I want to combine that survey with my experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my PsychoPy file, and here I'm going to go to Responses, and here you can see there is the option of a Pavlovia survey right here. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to first of all rename this routine. So this is, rather than other components in PsychoPy, this is a standalone routine, meaning that it's a little bit different, but I'll show you how we work through that. So I'll say this is my info_survey. And what I can do here is I can add the ID of the survey that I want to present. So to retrieve that ID, I'm just going to go to my information sheet on pavlovia.org. And on that overview page, there is the survey ID just underneath the name here of my survey. So if I select that, I'm just going to copy it and come back to my PsychoPy experiment and just paste it into that survey ID field. Then what I want to do is I need to make sure that I add this routine to my flow. So it isn't actually yet part of my experiment. So I can click Insert Routine, and then I'm going to select Info Survey, and I'm going to put it at the very beginning of my flow. I'll then save my file, and I just want to update my Pavlovia experiment so that it has this survey. So I'll say Add Survey, and then I'm going to wait for those changes to sync to pavlovia.org. And I can see, lovely, done. That is now complete. So has it worked is the question. So we're going to go back to our pavlovia.org. But this time, I'm not going to start from my survey page. I want to go to my experiment project that is this PsychoPy experiment, but on pavlovia.org. And previously when I ran this, you could see there was text, there was a target, I could press space. Now what I'm hoping we see is at the very beginning of this, we should see our information sheet. And here we go. We have our information sheet, and I can check the boxes here. I'm presented with that additional question. The whole world knows my age now. And I'm just going to click complete, and then I go into my experiment. And there you have it. You now have a Pavlovia survey that is combined with your experiment. What's actually really nice about this is that now if you were to download the data from your survey will also be stored as part of your experiment data. So it's all together in one place. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this useful.